So at Nalytics, our whole point is to try and help our clients make better decisions faster. So we give them tools that allow them to find accurate information very precisely, very concisely, and give them the context to the question. So if it's they're looking for an exception against a obligation in a clause, we can help find that really quickly. And the whole point is that they can then support their clients to make the better decisions for them, helping them to work within fixed costs, reduce their own costs, and potentially improve their own profitability. We do that by automating certain parts of the process. We reduce the effort that it takes for the user to find the important thing, which speeds it up. I mean, anything from 90-95% time savings on standard repeatable processes. That's just a better experience for the staff coming into the business that are looking to try to achieve something within law. If we can automate processes, we can reduce their effort, we can reduce their risk, and we can just make it better for them. We don't need to sit and read. Humans are very good at certain things. We're great at making decisions, but boring, mundane things such as reading 500 pages in a contract for that one piece of information, the golden nugget, that's not so fun. So we help, we improve that process and make it a little bit more efficient for them. And we can scale across the business as well. So whether it's looking at a GDPR-based solution, whether it's looking at litigation support, disclosure, they're all different areas that you can benefit from having a working search technology. And not everything needs to be AI. So it's quick deployment, it's no learning, it's no 6 months of onboarding and 6 months of development and project. Actually, it's deployable, index the documentation, and just get the results out instantly.